in here, I'm expecting to find a BeltBox vocal dampener. I didn't know it existed, but somebody mentioned it in a comment, and I had a look online. I got in touch with BeltBox and said, do you fancy sending me one for evaluation? And they said, sure thing. So, I imagine this is it, and I'm going to unbox it for those of you, including myself, who enjoy such things. You know this cutting away from yourself business? Seems to be more awkward than cutting towards yourself, generally speaking. But of course, unless you make a slip. Well, I must say, it's a nice box. You can read all this online, warm up to full voice without disturbing those around you. I plan to review it, of course, so I'll go through all that then. I'll just get on with the removal of the box. I'll figure that out another time. Something to carry it in? Oh. Silica gel and instructions. Here we are then. Oh, wasn't what I was expecting on the inside there. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, and I wasn't expecting it to be, for whatever reason, rubber. For some reason I thought it would be, I don't know, a kind of fabric over a former. But hey. Yeah, very soft around there. So that's how they've, how it seals. Well, we shall see. Very good. Well, many thanks to BeltBox for sending that. I shall get on and use it, just for size comparison, because I don't. You won't be using that when you're using this, will you?